In front of me is DOOGEE V30, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by selecting Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Information and tap on Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Now it's time to click on the one that you wish to set up, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!